Hey guys, this is Ben with Peak Sodding. So today I'm over here in Raleigh. We're in the kind of Falls River, Millbrook area, and I'm doing a walkthrough of a turf installation we completed earlier this year. And I really just wanted to come out and see how this one was coming along because we installed it. It would have been right around May or so, and it's one of those applications that it was a fun one because initially, basically before we came out here, this client had just had their pool installed. It's a really nice, just kind of modern looking pool, a beautiful space, and it was a cool application because the house had been doing a lot of renovations, a lot of work to be done, and they really wanted a space where they could enjoy it, but not also just not have to deal with the annoyance of sometimes having to maintain a lawn in a very high traffic area. So he hired us to come out here and handle this turf installation for him. And it was just a really, really cool thing because basically this entire area was just completely red clay, dirt, and rocks and dead grass. And it just was kind of a war zone. So when he hired our team, we came out here and just got to work. We excavated the entire space. We went about the process of building a really proper base for this turf, but then also making sure that the turf was the perfect fit for the type of application that he needed. He needed something that was durable, something that was resilient, but also something that had a really nice color and kind of matched the overall aesthetic that he was going for in his property. So that's what we built. And as you can see, you've got just really, really great color here. You've also, and it's a little sunny, so I apologize for the light there, but it just complements this pool and the design of this pool so well. There's also these really cool looking concrete pavers that they had built in, or slabs that they had built in, but we did the turf going through them and all around them and stuff, and it adds this level of a modern appearance to the entire space, which is really what they were going after. But by doing it with turf, it gives them a permanent application, something that is essentially maintenance free, but also something that is super durable, that's going to look amazing, but also tolerate all of the varieties of conditions and activities that they're going to have out here. So I just love the way this one came out. I was really excited to see it and love the fact that it's just still performing so well, even after a nice long summer of, I'm sure, what would have been a lot of activity in this pool space. So we hope you guys like it, and we can't wait to show you the next one. See ya.